Hello! Have you been struggling with acne and it has affected your confidence in social situations and your self-esteem? I know how damaging suffering from acne can be. From the age of maybe 11 or 12 to even in my mid-30s, I struggled with either moderate or severe acne at times. And there are different things that I have done to help me. So today in this hypnosis, I would like to guide you to access the incredible power of your unconscious mind to help you achieve clear, beautiful skin that is free of acne and pimples. I hope that you can restore your confidence and really enhance your self-esteem, because it's not worth it to let you suffer from this condition. And in this, I will also talk about things that you can do, things that have helped me. So, begin by finding a comfy place to sit or lie down. Let your body relax. Close your eyes if you like, or you can look at the screen and watch what's going on. And take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly breathe out. With each breath, feel your sinking deeper and deeper into calmness and relaxation. Keep breathing deeply and evenly, and let your body feel heavy, releasing any stress or tension. Imagine you are in a peaceful garden, surrounded by colorful flowers and the soothing sounds of nature. This garden is your safe haven, where you feel completely calm and at ease. As you walk through this garden, notice how each step makes you feel very relaxed, more at peace. Now, picture a gentle stream flowing through your garden. The water is clear and pure, representing the healing energy within you. As you sit beside the stream, let the sound of the flowing water guide you into a deeper state of relaxation. Feel the weight of your body melting away, and let your mind drift into a state of calmness. With each breath, you go deeper and deeper into the state of relaxation. Imagine a warm golden light surrounding you, filling you with a sense of peace and calmness. This light is your inner healing energy, ready to cleanse and refresh your body. Imagine your skin as a beautiful garden, one that has gone through some tough weather. These tough times represent the stress, junk food, and other things that have caused acne. But now the sun is shining and the rain has stopped. The garden is ready to heal and bloom again. Think of your skin as a canvas. In the past, this may have been marked by acne, pimples, like brush strokes that didn't belong. But now, you are the artist and you have the power to create a masterpiece. With each positive change you make, you are painting a beautiful, clear picture on your skin. You have had acne and it has affected your life in many ways. It has impacted your self-confidence, your social interactions, and your overall well-being. But now, you are taking control. Acne can come from various things like diet, stress, hormones, and not taking care of your skin properly. Your body has an amazing ability to heal itself, and you are now giving it the tools it needs to do so. Your body sometimes needs a little help to stay balanced. When things get out of whack, it can show up on your skin. To keep things in check, you can focus on eating good food, staying active, getting enough sleep, and finding ways to chill out. Every day, your body is becoming more and more balanced. Your mind is becoming more and more balanced. Eating foods rich in healthy fats like fish, seeds, and nuts, and avocado, olive oil can really help. These foods help keep everything running smoothly. Also fill your plate with lots of vegetables and fruits that are low in sugar. They are packed with good stuff that supports your skin. Fruits that have a lot of antioxidants like berries. You find it easy to cut down on sugary snacks and junk food because they can throw things off balance. Exercise is another great way to keep your body balanced. You find it easier and easier to exercise for at least 30 minutes of activity most days. This helps keep everything steady and reduces stress. You ensure that you get enough sleep, around 7 to 9 hours each night, because sleep is very crucial in your skin's healing process. You naturally find ways to relieve stress, like deep breathing, listening to guided hypnosis like this one, meditation, or yoga. High stress levels can throw your body off balance and make acne worse. By keeping stress in check, you help maintain a healthy balance in your body. There are easy things you can do to improve your skin. You come to enjoy eating more vegetables, fresh fruits that are rich in antioxidants and low in sugar, things that are packed in vitamins and antioxidants. You make an effort to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and flush out toxins. You reduce your stress through relaxation techniques like deep breathing, guided hypnosis, meditation, and yoga. You just know how to use skincare products, gentle, healthy, natural skincare products that are gentle and suited for your skin type, avoiding harsh chemicals. You find it's easier and easier to avoid foods that can trigger the unwanted condition on your skin. So foods such as sugary snacks, greasy fast foods, and packaged foods, processed foods, and dairy products, if you notice that they affect your skin. You avoid touching your face frequently, and if you do, you always do with clean hands. You cleanse your skin gently. Your skin makes a natural oil that keeps it soft and protected. When this oil is balanced, it helps keep your skin healthy. Too much oil can clog your pores, leading to unwanted things on your face. To keep this oil in check, you ensure eating well and drinking lots of water. You intuitively use skincare products that nourish your skin without stripping away its natural oils. You look for products that keep your skin hydrated and help balance oil production. You avoid using harsh cleansers or scrubbing your face too hard. This can strip your skin of its natural oils and make it produce even more oil to compensate. Instead, you use gentle cleansers and exfoliate no more than once or twice a week. You find it's easy and effortless to incorporate all these changes in your life because you love yourself and because you love seeing your skin becoming clearer and more beautiful each day. You are very motivated to care and nurture your skin and your body, just as a dedicated and kind gardener who loves to tend to her garden to make it magical. Imagine yourself with beautiful clear skin. See yourself in the mirror, your face glowing with health and radiance. When you touch your skin with clean hands, you feel the smooth, clear, soft texture, almost like glass. Your skin feels fresh and healthy. Notice how others respond to you, admiring your clear, beautiful complexion. Your clear skin boosts your self-confidence. You feel more comfortable in social situations, more at ease in your own body. You can express yourself more freely without worrying about how your skin looks. You confidently look at people in the eyes when you talk to them. You talk with your head held high, knowing that you are taking good care of yourself. With this newfound confidence, you are motivated to make healthy choices for your skin. You choose foods that nourish your body and avoid those that cause issues. You drink plenty of water, stay active, and manage stress because you love yourself and you want the best for yourself and your skin. You enjoy taking care of your skin with gentle, effective products. Each time you look in the mirror, you feel proud of the clear, radiant skin you have achieved through your healthy choices. This self-love and care reflect in your glowing complexion and boost your overall happiness and confidence. As your skin clears, your self-perception changes. You see yourself as a person who is healthy, vibrant, and beautiful. This newfound confidence enhances every aspect of your life. You are more outgoing, more positive, and more in tune with your inner beauty. Remember, you have the power to heal and transform your skin. You effortlessly continue to nourish your body with healthy foods. You manage your stress effortlessly, and you use gentle skincare products. Each day, your skin becomes clear, more beautiful, and more radiant. Now, take a moment to bask in this feeling of relaxation and confidence. When you are ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your body gently. And when you are ready, open your eyes. Feel refreshed, rejuvenated, and confident in your journey to clear, beautiful skin.